Today I'm going to be making a healthy Parmesan sprinkle, for salads, pastas, or pizzas. It uses 1 cup of raw cashews, 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Now I'm going to be using my hand processor, but you can go ahead and mince these cashews up by hand if you want. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I add is the raw cashews. Go ahead and mince them up. Okay, that's the consistency I like to see. It's kind of like granules. Okay, so the second thing I add is the nutritional yeast. We'll go ahead and put the salt in there. And the garlic powder. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and mix this up. And there you go. That's pretty much it. The next thing you do is just transfer it into a jar of sort. And there you go, Parmesan cheese. Very good. Now I can go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. It keeps for a pretty good long time. Lasagna has always been a favorite dish of mine, and when I came up with a delicious